Did you know your surveillance camera might be a decade outdated? The world of physical security has evolved into an AI-powered vision revolution. A storm of intelligent monitoring is sweeping across the industry, and you're about to witness a technological breakthrough that redefines what it means to see. This is the moment that changes everything you thought you knew about security. Let's kick things off with jaw-dropping resolution up to 20 MP. Whether you're watching over an airport terminal, a school hallway packed with students, or an intricate factory line, ACTi's ultra-high resolution captures every detail with surgical precision. From facial recognition to forensic review, this level of clarity transforms how incidents are tracked and resolved, giving you total confidence in every frame. Need eyes on something from far away? Say hello to up to 40x optical zoom. Zoom in instantly on suspicious people or vehicles without setting foot on site. Whether it's a perimeter breach at an airport, a school parking lot incident, or an intruder in a factory yard, ACTi's powerful zoom ensures you stay in control, no detail left behind. What about nighttime surveillance? With IR range up to 250 meters, you get crisp visibility even in total darkness. Perfect for monitoring large outdoor areas like runways, playgrounds, and loading docks, ACTi's IR performance gives you round-the-clock security with zero blind spots, day or night. Here's a stat that turns heads, up to 120 frames per second under 2 MP mode. That means ultra-smooth footage, even when subjects are moving fast, ideal for tracking vehicles on tarmacs, students in motion on sports fields, or machines in rapid production lines. No motion blur, no missed moments. Looking for agility? ACTi's PTZ models offer up to 8 MP in 40x zoom. That's mobility and clarity in one. Ideal for airports with wide surveillance zones, school security patrols, or factory cranes, these cameras autocruise and respond instantly to alarms, dramatically reducing reliance on manpower. Got wide open indoor spaces? ACTi's hemispheric models with up to 12 MP cover everything in one panoramic shot, no blind spots. Perfect for airport checkpoints, school atriums, or control rooms, you'll get a full overview with just one camera. Simpler installation, maximum coverage. Need multiple angles? Our multi-imager cameras deliver up to 20 MP total resolution, equivalent to 4 cameras in one. Cover arrival gates, building entrances, or factory logistics zones without overcomplicating your setup. It's efficient, cost-effective, and powerful. Here comes the game changer, built-in analytics with people and vehicle detection, classification, and recognition. Whether you're identifying loitering in a schoolyard, flagging unauthorized vehicles at a plant, or improving passenger flow in an airport, ACTi's AI does the thinking for you. Real-time alerts, smart decisions. You might ask, why not just go with Axis? 3 words: smarter, cheaper, better. ACTi delivers the same or even superior AI and imaging power at 30% to 50% lower cost. Plus, you get unmatched variety, from PTZs to multi-imagers to AI-powered models. For system integrators, it's a winning edge. Compete smarter. Close faster. Ready to see what you've been missing? Click the link below to explore ACTi's full line of high-resolution cameras. Stop overpaying for outdated tech. Step into the future of surveillance and win with every pixel. ACTi, where vision meets precision.